Hello friends, my name is Arjun and today how to solve this sum. In my previous video I told you that 10 divided by 10 divided by 10 divided by 10, and it was very easy, but this time this sum is here and more and a more trick of 10 divided by 10 divided by 10 divided by 10. It's 81 divided by 27 divided by 9 divided by 3. And now I'll tell you how to solve it. It's very simple. Let's divide, and also again we will use the left to right method. So first we will divide 81 divided by 27. So it will be 3 obviously. Then there will be 3 divided by 9. And we can write it as 3, 3, 3 9. And if we simplify it, we can write it as 1/3. And here now, if I put this, divide 3 here, it will be like this. So it will be, now we can write the 3 like this, 3 1, so the value won't be changed. And also I told, and if you want more clarification of this, you can see my previous videos. I told how to divide fractions. So now, if when we are dividing the fractions like this, we will reciprocal the second fraction and change the sign. So it will be 1/3 multiply 1/3, which will be 1/9. And if you want it to be more, you can write 1/9 as 0.111111, and these ones will go infinitely. That's how this super tricky looking sum is very easy. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to see our second channel, Bab Beta Vibes, and you can watch it now. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.